today? PrimeTime.
PrimeTime from Westchester.
PrimeTime from
right away, Dill. Right away.
Great
Your
County
ground ball,
of
Dill. Your
Westchester,
ground
New
ball.
York.
Tommy, get this one right over here too.
Okay, the time is 11:35. Horn went off.
Right now, AJ. Right now.
Go, Dill. Get in. Go,
All right.
Nice.
Lost the face-off. Feeds it downfield. Shot across the cage. Nice save. Nice save, Colin. Outlet pass goes wide.
Nice job, man. Nice job, man.
He's fighting for
Push
the
him
ball.
out.
Swarm. Tyler, you're really close to the field, buddy. You're gonna have to move. This white line, you can't cross the white line.
Priest, go. AJ, stick up. Get ready. Get the ball up. Get you, Frank. Good job, Frank. That cut. Go. Frank, follow your pass.
Nice.
Right. Yeah.
All right.
Hey, right away.
I was checking something else. I think that was Ryan Rooney who scooped up a junk shot. Jamie, was that Ryan?
Yes.
All right, we're up 1-0. This is a running clock. I'm going to let the film go straight through.
Right now, Dill. Here you go, bud. Here we go, Rollins.
Ball, Dylan.
Here you go, John.
Oh my God.
Way to be
All right.
there, Rooney. Way to be there.
1-0. John Mullins taking the face-off.
That's yours, Dill. John, go, Kevin.
Get there. Face-off goes to PrimeTime. Best.
There you go. That's it, Dylan.
Take it, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Feet, Kevin.
Well, there you help.
Rips a shot. There's a goal. PrimeTime ties it up 1-1. 37:24 on the clock.
Come on, Aiden.
Come on, Aiden. Find him, John.
Get in there. Stop that fast
You,
break,
John.
Aiden.
Come on, John. Your ball, Aiden. Your ball, Aiden.
Tommy!
Come on, John.
Hacking at it and start scooping it.
Get in there.
Penalty on Legacy. Ball goes to PrimeTime. And they're bringing it up.
Get a body on him.
Nice save, Colin.
Come on, do the clear. Set up the clear.
There's one pass. Oh, you're not alone. Somebody show them the other to help. Where's the help? And there goes the ball.
Nice job, Mikey.
Wise practice and clearing drill. Nice check, nice check. Stay on him. Ball goes wide.
Oh, that's goalie ball. Yeah.
All right, ref overturned the other guy. That's a white ball on some hustle. All right.
32. Come on, guys.
Get the ball,
You guys are attacking.
Somebody give him some help.
Good eye, Druck. Go, Dill. You got it, Dill. You got power,
Long pole heading upfield.
Hey, Druck, good job, buddy. Hey, Dylan, Drake, clear.
Ryan Rooney's got it behind the cage. Feeds, shoots, blocked by a defenseman. Offsides. Offsides on Legacy. Ball goes back to PrimeTime. We needed a midi back. Cuts it off.
Yeah.
Got Braden.
Come on, Braden. Finish.
There it is. Braden McNamara on an unassisted goal. Picked off the pass. Well done.
Nice job, boy.
All right, we're up 2-1. 34-39 on the clock. I didn't warm up my announcer's voice.
Let's go,
Wow, 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 wow. Okay, we're down for a face-off here.
Go, John, go.
Popped it out.
Yeah, John.
Come on, guys.
Run away. Oh, nice job. Yeah, good. Come on,
Gotta be white. Gotta be white.
Fight.
Defenseman picks it up.
There you go.
Why was it defenseman? Oh, it wasn't defenseman, it's long pole.
That's it.
Good job, John.
Stop ball, Chase. That's it. Way to go, Chase.
Nice steal. Trip.
Good. Switch him up.
Nice job,
All right.
Chase. Good job, boys. Way to be there, white.
We're going man-up offense here. Ryan comes up to the top of the key.
Here we go, Drum.
Yeah, push with possession, so 30 seconds. Man up. Yeah, it should be man up.
Stick up.
Go, boys.
Get ready. Stick up. Stick up. Stick up.
Go, Legacy. Good catch.
AJ, stick up. Here he is.
That's it. Hey.
That's backing up. That's good. Let's keep shooting, boys.
Did he block it or was it wide? I didn't see it.
No, it went wide, but we got backup.
Stick up, AJ. Stick up.
Diamond.
Breaks.
Finish.
Oh, right into his stick.
Drop.
Pick that off again. Boom, another one. I'll take that all day long.
There you go. Move to the ball. PrimeTime, move to the ball.
18, that was AJ Dromerhauser on the pickoff and an unassisted goal. Heads up play.
Hey, good job,
Puts us
boy.
up 3-1.
Good ball, buddy.
Let's go, Robin. Come on, stop a fast break, Chase. Stop a
Jack,
fast
keep
break.
shooting, buddy. Keep shooting. Roll him. Here we go. Let's go, Robbie.
Go, bud.
JD, let's go, buddy. Come on, Joe.
All right, we're gonna face off here. And on the whistle, we've got 31-35 on the clock.
Come on, bud.
Gotta be white.
Nice job!
There you go.
Nice save.
Robbie, turn and go, Robbie.
Go, Robbie, watch.
Go, Robbie, go.
That's it, Chase. Get him. That's it. Nice poke. Good poke. That's it.
Get it back, Robbie. Get it back. Mike, stay on your man.
Double. That's it.
Go ball.
Get ready, attack.
Nice handle. Beautiful catch by number 7. I believe that's Anthony.
Hands.
Don't stop. Great job, Colin.
That was Anthony Morioni. Oh, it's on the back of the goal. Nice pickup.
Nice save.
Goalie save on a shot from Frankie.
Look at my man, Frank. Right here, Frank. Stay with him, Kevin.
Stay on him.
Stay with him, Kevin.
Lock it up.
You know how to catch it, Kevin.
Lock it up.
Lock on him, Kevin. Robbie, you know it's coming. Get on him, Robbie. They're making mistakes here.
Pressure.
Go down.
That's it.
Stay away, Roy! Loose ball behind you. Threads the needle.
Run him, Frank. Just run him.
Throws to help.
Stay back, Frank. Go, Robbie. Go.
Somebody go to that bottom corner, please. It's wide open.
Quick.
There you go. Go to the cage. Feed it back.
Go, Frank. Right to the cage, Frank. Got hit right in the throat.
We're gonna get this ball.
He lost the ball.
That's yours, Peacock.
Fight for it. That's it.
Now lose your men.
Frank, cut.
Got him beat. Turn it on.
Step up.
Peacock, stay still, buddy. Good job, Kevin. Come on, Kev.
Loose ball down here in the corner.
Don't let him connect, man.
Oh, snuck a ground ball by. Nice shot.
Nice
3-2.
done.
Legacy's in the lead. 28:34 on the clock.
Go, Chase.
Careful, you might get stuck trying to squeeze through there.
Oh, thanks.
You got it. Let's go, Chris! Be the man! Let's go!
Come on, Dylan. Go ball, AJ.
Come on, Dylan.
Okay, we're down for a face-off here. On the whistle, we've got
Get on him.
again on the whistle. We've got 27:39 on the clock. Face-off goes to prime time.
Nice job, Mikey.
Run, Dale. Yes.
Go, Chris.
Change of personnel.
Julia, come here.
Pressure.
Don't get beat by the feet.
Shoot it. There you go.
It's gonna go wide.
That's it.
I think he touched it. I think he touched it.
All ball.
He touched it.
That kid hit it out of bounds. 99 hit it out of bounds. Until he gained possession of it. But the other kid had the ball.
Oh, that was a good save.
Here's the help. Nice. There you go. That's it.
That's heads up.
Go, Dylan. Go, James, go. Ball, attack.
You gotta get that prime time. Get in there.
Stay back, AJ. Hold down. Get on him in.
Run away.
Come on.
Go.
You got him, Joe. Ride. Oh, Joey. Come on,
Yeah, Chris. Let's go, buddy.
Go, Joey. Come on. Next time you get him.
That's it. Good D. Way to go.
That's only one guy scooping through.
Jack, get nasty, pal.
That's it. Way to go, Chase.
Jeez.
Easy ground ball.
Down here. Slide. Good,
Nice.
AJ. Nice help. Nice help.
Yeah. Drop in, Chris.
Help.
See it, man.
See both. Come around, come around. That's it. Nice.
Job, Jake, good job.
Help. That's it. That's it. Way to go. That's it. That's
Nice
it.
scoop.
Way to go. Go.
Nice
Use your
scoop.
goalie. Use your help. That's it. Set it up.
Box.
Come. Cross. No, they're not. They're going to block. Come on. You ain't going to do
Ball.
it. They're going to double the ball. They're going to double you.
Sorry, folks, I missed that.
Look up. Come on, attack and break.
AJ, 12 pounds.
Chase,
Turn around.
Stay on him.
That's it. Go to the goalie.
Can't hit him in the throat with a stick, bro. He's shaking his
Come on,
head.
Aiden, that's you.
Come on, Dylan. That's it.
Get in there, Chris.
Oh, come on. We got to make those catches, guys.
That's it.
Oh, there we go. There's a call.
Way to go. Way to go, defense. Chase. Nice D. Come on, guys.
Ball down here in the corner.
Go, Legacy. Ball. Come on, Brady.
Stitch it together, baby.
Way to go.
Excellent feed.
Nice finish, Ryan.
Is that 4-2 now? 4-2? Yeah, 4-2. That goal was approximately 22:30 on the clock.
Go, bud.
Come on, Ed. Come on. Hey, Robbie, let's
Come
get
on,
your
Robbie.
wheels on, Robbie.
Come on, Robbie. Get in
Your
there.
ground ball, 3-2. Your ground ball.
All right, on that whistle, we were at 22 minutes exactly in the game. So just about the halfway mark. Illegal procedure. Ball goes to Legacy Lacrosse. Bring the ball up. Number 18, AJ, has the ball. He's got Anthony to his right on the midfield. And on the left, he's got
Go, Kevin.
Kevin McCann.
Easy, watch. Here it comes.
Back to AJ. AJ drives. It's a dogfight in front of the net. There we go. There we go. Come on. Settle. Settle. There we go. Get it to X. Get it to X. They're calling.
Don't stop your feet.
Get the ball to X.
There you go, Zumo, finally.
All right. Ryan's got the ball at the X position. Beats his man with a swim. Feeds. Oh. Oh. Goalie ball. Three-five blue slash. All right, so we're gonna go man up offense here. That'll pull Ryan up to the top of the key.
Let's go. Jack, what do you say, Connor? Here we go, Jack.
All right, they're gonna inbound here from the corner. Connor Peacock has the ball, number 21. Up to 26. I don't know, 26. 26 is Jack Travato. Downfield, stitch to the middle. Now they're moving. We got two men clumped in the corner there. I'm not sure what that's doing. Back to the top. Clock's ticking on our man up.
Come on, guys.
Rooney made a move, was checked. Nice recovery by number 18, AJ. Heads up play. Connor Peacock got the ball down the corner again. Braden McNamara to, I can't see who's got it there. Feeds to AJ, fire. And there's a goal.
That was sweet, baby.
Nice job, nice job. Way to move the ball, nice shot, AJ.
Nice job, White! Great job, White!
That puts us a score of 5-2 with 19:12 on the clock.
Come on, Steven.
Let's go, ground balls, White! Ground balls, White!
Face off here. Closest to me on the screen is number. Lost the face off. Feeds to an attackman, number 3. Driving. Feeds. Attacking on the far side, fired and scored. We are now at 5-3 with 18:07 on the clock at this moment. Okay, we got John Mullins in on the face-off. We got a midfielder coming on field here. This is number 7 right here in front of us. That's Anthony Morioni. Looks like Frank Pagnotta all the way on the far side. Let's go. Let's get one here. Let's get one.
Your ball, Anthony. Your ball, Anthony.
He steps past him all the time. Man down. Push on blue, ball's going white. Frankie's got the ball at the top here. Working the ball. Anthony's driving. Little ricochet off a pass. Hits the goalie in the stick.
Oh, great run! Great run, Joey!
That's it.
Nice.
That's it.
Oh, Joey, take down. Great ride, Rooney.
All right, Ryan stole the ball, got tackled along the way, and somehow the other kid got hurt. That'll be white possession when we come back from an injury timeout. Time remaining on the running clock is 16:21. What do we got? A delayed.
Yeah, right. Right, exactly. Watching the NBA Finals tonight, I fouled. It's gonna be up.
Not exactly sure what transpired. I think they might have called a flag on the coach. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess we're going man up, 6 on 4 with 2 men up.
I see him downtown, black shirt.
Ryan Rooney has the ball closest to your screen. On the whistle, we've got 15:21 on the clock. Pass it to X.
Go, Joey.
Let's go cash in on this.
Pick up.
Get your cutters.
Yeah.
Come on!
Boom, boom.
AJ, how did that flash,
Nice feed to AJ, who sends it home. Got to put the score to 6-3.
Yeah, man.
Nice job, man up!
6-3.
Hey, Jack, way to throw that zip in there, buddy!
Catch and shoot, catch and shoot.
6-3. We've got 14:35 on the clock.
Good. Come on, put your brother on. It's not here. Come on, Steven, tell him.
Let's go, Jack!
Tell him. Jack. Hey, tell him, Travato. Let's go, Jack.
All right, we are still man up here on an unreleasable penalty. All right, we won the face-off here. We are still man up. Let's make some use of this again.
Go on, Andrew, press!
So look at it, open. The middle is wide open. Somebody get moving. And they are back to full strength. So we did not make any use of that. We got a lot of crowding. We're gonna run diamond now. I think that's Braden with the ball behind the cage. Didn't really convince anybody on that break.
Oh! Go,
All right,
Rooney!
Ryan's got the ball behind the cage.
Wheeling, Rooney!
Just beat him. There you go. Put him in your rearview mirror.
Stop your feet.
Shot by Braden from a distance, it looked like.
Good rip, boys! Way to go, Braden. Nice
7-3.
6 or 7.
7. That goal was at 12:49 on the clock.
I love you, Rooney. Rooney's go. Whoa, careful, gangsters.
Ground balls, White! Ground balls, White! Hey, Mullins, here we go, John! Here we go, Mullins! Draw ball, Mullins! Let's go, Chase, come on. Chase.
All right, we're facing off after a legacy goal. Time on the clock is 12:20 remaining.
Your ball, Chase. Your ball, pal. Come on, John.
PrimeTime won the face-off. Clean. The kid number 11. Oops. Ball's behind the cage. I'm having a hard time seeing here with the sun. .11:30 on the clock.
Good, good. Behind you.
Scramble.
Yeah,
Clamps down on that. Okay. That was
Chase, look for the
Colin
ball.
Parkins.
Chase,
on.
Chase, look for
Turn
the
around,
ball.
boys. We go out of bounds.
Remember,
Off
you're
white.
ready.
It's going to go blue.
John.
4-11-18. Driving, beats his man. Shot goes wide.
Come on, Robbie.
Into the corner.
Yeah, Robbie.
What?
Can't get beat. Oh, damn! Oh, man, nice shot. That's good D, stay on your toes. Keep that hustle, Peacock. Keep that hustle, Connor. Keep up the hard work. Ground ball. Go, Keith, go. Mark it on the stick.
Oh.
That's it. Go, go, go. All the way. Go, go. Take it to the hoop. You got it, Mike.
So where's the hole?
Stay with it, Mike. Fight for it, guys. Come up with it, PrimeTime! He's on it.
He's on the ball.
I got blue whip hold. They're going to be white.
All right, thank you.
Great hustle. Great job, Chase. Good fight there, Chase.
It's not an egg. You can't sit on it.
Here we go, Mullins.
John Mullins, number 99, right here in front of us, has the ball. He's waiting for a personnel change, it looks like. He's going to send that over to Frankie on the far side. Frankie's driving down.
Come on, Frankie.
Right there, right there. Didn't see what happened there. I thought it might have been a bad pass.
Let's go, good ride, boys.
Sorry, I was looking at something else.
Mike it close, Frank. Come on, Joey, good ride, Joey, good ride. That's it. That's it. Nice. Okay.
Sorry, I was daydreaming. I missed the fan. Missed the clear.
Downhill, stop ball. Oh!
Nice save, nice save. Oh, come on with the passes.
Come on, Jack.
Jack Travato. Just turn it on and beat him. Jack Travato, number 26, got the ball. Running downfield. Stops before he sends it to X. Frankie, number 6, has got the ball.
Hey, look.
Come on. Catch the ball. What are you doing?
Can't block down 19. Let's go, ride. Drag him in, then drag him out. That's it. Double. Left.
PrimeTime kid weaves his way up the field. 7:18 on the clock. Shot goes wide. Sorry, I missed that.
Go, on the wheels, baby. Go, bud.
7-3. 7-3, 6:38 on the clock. Nice save, Colin.
Come on.
Who's this right here? Right here. Oh, you had somebody wide open right here in front of you. Come on, get back in goal.
Yeah!
And we just gave up a goal on just a bad pass. Score 7-4 with 6:04 on the clock.
Spence, let's go! Come up with the face!
7-4. Rairu, one more. Let's go.
Here we go, Mullins! We need the ball white! Gotta be white!
We've got John Mullins on the face-off here. Anthony's got his back to us, and looks, I can't see who's on the far side. Gotta stop stepping across. It's not working.
Come on, Andrew, run through that.
Nice check, but get to it.
Gotta be white! Gotta be white! That's it. Play.
After a scuffle, some good checks, we lost the ball. Lost the ball! They can't even see it. All right, AJ with some heads-up play. Where's the push on the...
Behind. You got it.
And we just tipped it out of bounds.
Let's go, Tomas. Let's go. Come on, Jack.
White, back up, back up.
You got Spence, you got Spence.
Jack. You got it. Here it is.
4:34 on the clock. Nice save, Colin. He's just chucking upfield.
Gotta be white. Ground ball's gotta be white.
Get that ball, Brandon.
Stop with the raking, scoop through, guys.
Nice move.
Pass goes out of bounds. Ball will turn over to White. And we are inbounding from the far side of the field. Can't really see who's got that ball. Look upfield, you got 19 open right here. Nice pass, right there. All right, AJ's got the ball. He's moving upfield. Nice check on 24. We are just not picking up the ball here.
Get that back, AJ. Get that back.
54 defenseman picked up the ball. Galloping upfield. It's off. Two's got it. That's Sean Drunkenmiller that's got it.
Take that ball. That's it. Way to go.
Gotta be white. Legacy. Gotta be white.
Go, take it, go. Go.
Come on, PrimeTime. So close to saying Jay. So
Come on.
3 minutes on the clock.
Bug, let's go.
Shot wide. Might have bounced off Colin. That's going to stay blue.
Ball. Gotta be white.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come up with that.
It's going to rip. It's going to go wide.
Hey, Dylan! Great job, Dylan!
Way to go.
Ball stays blue. 2:15 on the clock. Score of 7-4. Another shot goes wide.
Let's go, defense. That's it. That's you, Chase. Move the ball. Real estate.
Alright, that's a primetime goal with 1:10 on the clock. Puts the score at 7-5.
Go, boy. Go. Hey, you got a minute left. You got to force. Minute left. Minute left, Chris.
Robbie, we need wheels here, Robbie. We need a ground ball. Let's go, Mullins!
Mullins is on the face-off. On the whistle, we will have 22 seconds on the clock. There's a flag on a tomahawk slash. And there's the horn.
It wasn't intended, but it's not.
All right, there's the horn, and they're gonna award that to them, so that'll put the score at 7-6. And Legacy will go home with a win.
Yeah.